any food for you. I wish I did. Are you mad?
Oh, just told you. Good morning from Vienna, Virginia. We're up and at 'em and on our way to Warsaw, Virginia. Gonna find some food along the way and take you to our destination for today and tomorrow. Are you excited?
I am excited.
We've never been to Warsaw before, so this is gonna be good. We're making a pit stop here at one of his clients here in Warsaw, Virginia. Let's see what we can find here at the Junkyard.
I don't have any food for you. I wish I did. Are you mad?
Oh, just told you. Ha ha.
Oh, help me, help me.
You tell them, ladies. Tell them like it is. Ha. Don't come at me. No, 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 no. Get. Don't you dare. Oh, yeah, screw you. Sorry for the language. Yeah, go the other way. Wow. What'd I do to you? I did nothing. Premier Auto Works, you guys, here in Virginia. He's got ducks in his lot. Oh, my God. I almost got attacked by a duck.
Right.
And now we have a fucking turkey. Excuse the language. Oh, my God. No way.
Thanksgiving.
You go say hi to it. Oh, my God.
Hanging
Glenn,
out?
make sure you get a picture of that bad boy.
I got it.
Oh, my God.
What are you doing? Hanging out?
Oh, don't hurt it.
Come on. Hey,
Don't hurt it.
hi. Look at those feet of yours.
What's his name?
Tom.
Tom?
Turkey.
How old is that boy?
Or Lucky. Lucky he's still not been eaten.
How old?
Oh, he's old. He's been...
He grandpa like you.
Ah,
Oh, my God.
come
We have arrived in Irvington, Virginia, and we are sponsored today by Premier Recycling. We are staying at the Tides Inn. Look at how pretty it is. My goodness. I don't think we've ever stayed at a resort this expensive, Mr. Murphy.
on. I don't think so.
Wow, look at the grounds. So pretty.
Tennis courts.
Was there tennis courts? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, wow. This is nice. Oh boy. I don't know how I'm gonna act.
You're right on the waterfront.
First impressions, right on the waterfront. Look at that. Oh man. Alright. Reception to the straight ahead. Let's go check in. Inside the Tides, room 209, with our little mini concierge Tyler, who is loading our luggage up. There she is.
Hello.
Look at this nice room. Oh my God, Tyler.
Yes.
This is amazing.
So, welcome to the Tides Inn. You have a full directory layout of the facility here on the TV. It's controlled by the remote.
Very cool.
You all have a beautiful view
Ooh,
of the
look
marina.
at that view. That's gorgeous.
Yes,
All
and it
right.
oversits the Salt and Meadow restaurant.
Yeah, nice.
You all have a stowaway if you didn't want to leave some things out in the open.
Stowaway. Nice.
You all have a miniature bar with 2 complimentary water bottles that you're more than welcome to take upon your departure of the facility.
All right.
An espresso machine.
Oh.
Espresso pods are here.
Woohoo.
A miniature refrigerator with complimentary drinks.
Nice.
Free of charge, free refill.
Fantastic,
As
man.
well as snacks here.
Yeah.
You all have the thermostat upon entry, controlling the heating as well as the cooling.
Woohoo. You're making me a happy girl, Tyler.
In the bedroom, you have an alarm clock on one side of the bed, as well
Nice.
as a telephone on the other.
Nice.
That has adaptable charger here.
That's great.
Another thermostat here.
Woo.
Upon your entry of the bathroom, you have another stowaway,
Oh my gosh.
double vanity sink,
Nice.
walk-in shower, as well as a separate toilet.
No way.
Absolutely.
Oh, man, Tyler. This is awesome. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
All right, we are in Natasia's world of glory. Look at this pretty shop, Glenn.
Fancy.
Oh, yeah.
Steak
do you got
sauce,
there?
hot sauce, barbecue sauce,
Right?
sauce, hot and mild,
Got some chocolates,
fudge,
fudge, cold drinks.
snack attack.
And they've got some nice stuff over here. Yeah. Natasia, you're doing a nice job.
Thank you.
Woo! I love that. Look how pretty.
Smells so good.
Such nice stuff. How long has the Tides been here?
15 52.
52 years. Wow. Very nice. Got something for everybody. Nomad cocktail book. There you go, Glenn. Wow, very nice, Natasha. Check out the outside. Oh, wow. Totally serene out here. Wow.
There's a champagne bicycle over here.
Right?
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. They have nice outdoor seating. Now inside here is the Salt and Meadow restaurant. We were going to go in there tonight for supper, but people in our party don't want to eat at 8:45, 9 o'clock. They said it was a little too late. So we canceled that, but if you ever get to come here to the Tides, definitely check out that restaurant because their menu looks amazing. Over here we have a nice little pad for people to sit, take in the serenity. Love it here. Yeah, play some bocce balls, right. Back there is some yacht. Look at that, you guys. I feel like we're in the Hamptons. Play some cornhole. And back here is the pool area. Now we're not going to film past the bushes, but I just want to show you the restaurant, which is where we're headed. That's the Oyster Bar. The ambience in here, guys, is absolutely incredible. I don't think I've ever eaten in like a 5-star resort before.
Right?
But we're at the Fish Hawk Oyster Bar. And here's some of the menu. Ooh, they got me some mocktails. All right. And then look at that. Ooh, I'm gonna eat good. Can't wait. We have some blue fish.
Right, I misspoke. I thought it was blue crab dip, but it's blue fish dip.
That's right.
Come with some nice celery, carrots, and crackers for the cracker girl.
Go ahead.
That's what you get when you got it. It's smoky. Give it a shot.
Y'all, this is the BLT avocado. With some side salad, bacon, avocado, chicken, fish. And then there is his fish and chips.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
They look damn good.
What in the world is that?
It's your camera and my photo. That's what it is. What do you need 2 spoons for? You don't like raspberry sorbet much, do you?
You didn't even finish your salad and you're already on dessert.
I'm giving this to you.
We enjoyed a relaxing afternoon at the pool. Had some lunch, as you saw. Went and took a nap. And now we are going for supper. Where are we going?
Someplace.
Someplace off the property.
Because they didn't have a reservation till 9 p.m.
Yeah, 9
at the
p.m.
restaurant on the property.
That's bad.
9 p.m.
I guess it's a good problem to have, but we're going to go off property and see what we can find. Come along. We are inside the Oaks here in Virginia. It's a very nice restaurant. A little loud, but we're going to take you along this food adventure.
Yeah, I don't know. I might get a ribeye.
We had a ribeye last night.
Yeah, ribeyes are good here.
Mm-hmm.
The cook, Steve, he's actually got ribeye on his slice.
Included in our meal is a trip to the salad bar, some homemade croutons. I don't know if I'm going to touch those, but this looks pretty good.
Well, at home we get the homemade onion rings down here. They chop them up into pieces. They call them onion straws. Here you go.
How are they?
It's dynamite.
And she said to save this for...
Horseradish sauce for the steak.
Are you getting a steak? No, he is.
Steak over yonder. Ooh, the barbecue chicken and potato salad. And mine is the blackened chicken and potato salad. And here comes Lucia's pork chops. They're not here yet.
You're not funny. And there's the pork chops. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Got my favorite beets. Dinner was good. Pork chops and chicken and au gratin potatoes. It was good. Now we're going to go back to the resort. I'm tired.
Why are you so tired? Tell me so.
You're exhausting.
I'm exhausted. Well, we got to sleep in today. We didn't get up until 8 o'clock.
That was great.
And then we went to McDonald's, and I was traumatized.
He was not.
It was very traumatic, and I was very traumatized.
He was not, y'all.
And I was
Stop.
highly disappointed.
No, he
with my
wasn't.
Expectations
No,
of
he
McDonald's.
wasn't. Don't listen to him. He was just struggling with the guy in the drive-thru, and I went inside and I took care of it. So that's not even true.
So that didn't make it in the video at all.
No.
Until now.
No, neither did the incident with housekeeping.
Oh, Mr. Mick, would you like a towel, Mr. Mick?
Leave it there. This is a family show.
Okay. Insert eggplant picture down below.
No. Other than that, we had a good day. We went to the local local restaurant tonight. It was good. It was very packed, so it's
We
nice
did
to
not
see.
eat in the hotel, etc.
No. We ate in the hotel at lunchtime, and that was good.
Yeah, oyster bar.
Yeah, that was really good. But tonight we went out to a local restaurant with our friend Greg, and we had a nice meal. It was very good.
Mm-hmm. And he knows everybody.
Oh, jeez, he's like the mayor out here.
He's the mayor.
Yeah, that's cool. So tomorrow, he's going to come by and pick us up at the marina here at the Tides Inn. it better not be a rowboat, yo.
And we're going on his rowboat out
No, we're
into
not.
the ocean.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
I'll stay behind. I can find lots of things to do here in the resort.
All right. He doesn't have a rowboat, and Lucia's not going to stay behind.
Well, we'll see about that.
So we got back here, and Lucia's like, "Did you grab my sweater?" And the answer is no.
So I got a robe.
She has a robe on. I opened the window over here to let some of the hot air in. Let's see how that works.
It's not hot out there.
Thank you for tuning in, everybody,
Thank you.
to another episode of Lucia and Glenn's Adventures.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Let us know what you thought of the episode. If, when you're watching this, we're here until Sunday, you have something for us to do, please tell us.
We just might go to the Steamboat Era Museum first thing tomorrow morning when they open. It's Saturday.
Good night, y'all.